Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof of commissions from promoting the OLSP System Mega Link. And you'll see down the right hand side here, live in my members area, my commissions are $151.40. You'll also see underneath there that when the owner, he gives you commissions that have been paid out to members in the last 24 hours, and that's 952 commissions just in 24 hours. So it's not just converting for me, it's also turning out to be a high converting offer for other members as well. And there's several reasons for that. Let's just show you some more information. They're going to take you inside the members area a bit later on and show you exactly why this system works so well. And the Mega Link is one link where you can earn up to 7 income streams. And the creator and the owner of this system is this gentleman here, Crowe. This is a short 10-minute overview video tour that Wayne will give you. It's a free video tour. If you click the link in the description, you get access to this free video tour here, and he'll give you lots of information on why and how we created this system. Let's go back into the members area here. I'll just show you some proof of the different commissions. So I'm going to go into your commissions, and if I just load up more transactions here, we'll go into. So I have blurred out the members' information for privacy. This is a one-time payment of $7, and I started my journey here, down here, on the December the 6th, and the Mega Link, which is this commission here, $7, that's 100% commission. So because there's no monthly membership cost and it's a one-time payment, Wayne wants to give his members the best opportunity to start to make money online. Low cost entry with multiple income potential. And if you look further up here, you'll see some other products from the funnel. Mega done for you funnel, Mega Message has been sold, list building, and that's a $10.80 special offer there. Another one down here, Mega Messenger one-time offer. We've got some other commissions here, different product from Megalink, list building and Magic Link. So 100% commission there, $7. Come all the way up here to 2 more Magic Links and list building products here have been sold. So far, 3 of the 7 income streams I've converted for myself. I just promoted this with free traffic, and then that's been over the course of the sort of 11-day period. And the balance in this column here is, like I showed you on the previous page, $151.40. So let me just go back into the members area and show you a couple of things that are really important. Go into dashboard here. So for your $7, I'm just going to show you shortly the absolutely insane value that you get with this offer. But first of all, I want to draw your attention to a couple of superb free trainings. So there's lots and lots of free trainings. There's weekly live trainings. You're going to get a lot of value for this $7 one-time payment. This one here, how I made 10 million in commissions. So Wayne Crowe, the creator and the owner, has been online 15 years. He not only wants to help beginners, he wants to help intermediates, advanced marketers. Anybody at any level is who he wants to help become successful. And there's other free training here. So you just click access product. If you decide to join through the link in the description, you go on to access product and you can watch these trainings. The 100 commission hack. So superb trainings, weekly live training. There's a lot more than I'm going to show you here today. with this system. So let's have a look at exactly what you're going to get with the 100% done for you system. So if you see in the top right hand corner here, it says your mega link. So that's what you're going to get there. Now on this page here, there's a lot of information and a lot of boxes and a lot of don't get overwhelmed, because I'm going to show you how simple, even if you're absolutely brand new and you haven't made $1 online yet, I'm going to show you how simple this is. So this is a training that Wayne does within the Megalink. So when you join, you go through these. Everything's laid out. All the trainings are laid out for you. It's absolutely brilliant. So this line he's drawn down here. You see this line here? I'm going to draw a line down here where he's drawn a line during the training. And there's nothing, as he says in this training, there's nothing hard and nothing technical about this, because everything to the left of this line, these two boxes here, are all you've got to be concerned with. And that's it, just those two lines there. Now the reason for that is because you're going to get your mega link, which is just an affiliate link, this one here in the top right hand corner. You'll get your own that you just copy and paste, and then what he's going to teach you to do is how to get traffic, or he calls it people, how to get traffic to that link. Now that link goes to a lead capture page, which is this one here. So this is done for you as well. You don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription for an autoresponder. The value that you're getting is absolutely, I've never seen such good value with any system. So everything to the right over here of the line is what he's, let's just draw a nice line on here, is what he's created for you. So this is, let's just get rid of this, let's make it a bit neater. So what he's created over here to the right hand side of the line is a complete 100% done for you system. Absolutely 100% done for you. And then when you promote your mega link and get traffic to it, now he's going to teach you how to get traffic, because he's got all the trainings here. Look, he's got all the done for you trainings, does weekly live trainings and replays. So if you're brand new, he goes right back to basics: organic traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic. And then what happens is your prospects go through a very simple system. So you will promote that lead capture page that I just showed you, and then this lead capture page here, your prospects put their email in there, and then they go into the funnel system. Now what Wayne does, Wayne sends out emails for you. So you don't have to create any emails. He does that on autopilot for you. And within each of these emails that are done for you and that he's paying for to send out, within each and every one of those emails there is your affiliate links. He's promoting you on autopilot. And then what he does, you'll see here, he's created his own products. Now what he does, he promotes his live trainings where you can earn commissions from. He promotes his own products to your prospects, and these range from low ticket over here to medium to monthly recurring to high ticket. And if any of your prospects decide they want to buy one of these through your email follow-ups, then you will earn at the end of that, the outcome there for you is affiliate commissions. Now this is all done on $7 one-time payment. $7. No monthly membership cost, no autoresponder, and it even gets better than that, because he's got a Facebook group for help, support, training. He's built a community of people helping people. He's got 32 staff for support. He's got it's just got everything, and there's nothing. He has absolutely every angle covered within this system, and all you've got to do is pay a one-time $7 and then learn how to promote this offer with traffic. And then these emails here, if any of your customers buy anything, those emails are cookied for you for a lifetime, for life. So the value of what he's giving here, I didn't really sort of fully understand it. I just saw the information that it was one income stream, and this is the foundation. There's a lot more to it than this, but I'm giving you the basics. But don't get overwhelmed by boxes and circles and funnels, because all you've got to do is grab your mega link and then follow his training, and he'll teach you traffic, and then let Wayne and his team take over with everything on the right hand side of that line. So the Facebook group here has got 142,000 members, and Wayne's very active within the Facebook group, but you've got a lot of experienced affiliate marketers in here to help and support and train you as well. A lot of beginners are starting to earn their first dollar online and multiple income streams. So a great community. So he's got everything covered. He's got community, he's got training, he's got help, support, and he's also got the perfect, what I would say is probably a perfect funnel for building, for making money online. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. Actually, first of all, let me go through this income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you what's worked for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and promote the system as an affiliate. So if you have enjoyed the video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently on my channel here, I do several new videos every single week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below, and they'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you access to this video here. Come and meet Wayne, come and join our team. We're here to help you become successful online with your affiliate marketing journey. There's more information on this page as well, not just the video. And then we'd love you to come and join OLSP and help you become another success story within this system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.